Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. Gang leader Uchence Wilson, along with 4 members of his gang, were today convicted of being part of a criminal organization. Uchence Wilson himself was also found guilty on 2 of the other charges against him. The conviction comes after several accused members of the gang were freed of some of the charges on which they were being tried. Kirk Wright has been following the trial and now reports.
Chief Justice Brian Sykes found Uchence Wilson, Stevenson Bennett, Sheldon Christian, Lenworth Gohagan and Odin Smith guilty of carrying out an armed robbery in Kellett's Clarendon on July 21, 2017. The men were said to have all participated in stealing a motor car. It's the first time since gangs have been tried under the Criminal Justice Suppression of Criminal Organization Act, otherwise known as the anti-gang legislation, that persons have been convicted. Before announcing he had found the men guilty of being part of a criminal organization, the judge reiterated that the law makes it clear that persons can be charged for being part of a criminal gang even without them committing a crime. Essentially, all it takes is the coming together of 3 or more persons with a common purpose to carry out criminal acts. Uchence Wilson, the established gang leader, was also found guilty of illegal possession of a firearm and shooting with intent. A policeman had testified that when a team went to apprehend Wilson, Wilson fled and while running away, fired at the policeman. On another charge, Wilson and 1 other gang member, Stevenson Bennett, were found guilty of committing burglary in Trelawney in July of 2017. Donovan Cole, another alleged member of the gang, was however freed of charges of being part of a criminal organization and providing a benefit to a criminal organization. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.